Hi there, stamping friends. This is Karen McNall, and I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Sharon, Vermont. And this is our video number 4 in a series using the Flight and Airy Designer Series paper from Stampin' Up! It is a Sale-a-bration paper that you can earn for free with a $50 product order. All right, this is the card we're going to be making today. Very simple and easy, uses lots of scraps that you will find you have in your craft room, of course. And we're going to be using a new die set that I have, and I'll show you that in just a second. But the other cards that we made in this series were a thank you card. Thank you so much, using the scallop ovals, or not scallop ovals, the scallop contours dies in boho blue. And then here's a sweet little card. I just love those two little birds there, sending hugs. And then this is the one we just made. It's a thinking of you card, and the main color in this is Fresh Freesia and Misty Moonlight. All right, so let's talk about the stamp set real quick. It's called Layering Leaves. It's a photopolymer stamp set. It's $24 from my online store. And if you'd like the item number, it's 161277. And again, we're going to make a congratulations kind of celebrating you card. Here are the, these are beautiful, you guys. If you don't have these in your craft room, you need to order them. It comes as in a bundle, Thoughtful Expressions bundle, but you can order the die set alone if you wanted to. So there's lots and lots of dies, and this is the back side too. So many different, this is going to be my go-to die set, I can tell you that. I hope they carry it over to our annual catalog coming out later this year. And then here's the Flight and Airy Designer Series paper. I mentioned that you can earn this with a $50 product order from my online store. It is found on page 6. Okay, so let's make this really quick and easy card. I'm all about quick and easy because I don't have a lot of time in my life, and I just love to be quick and easy. Okay, so we're using Pecan Pie as our color here. It's 8.5 across by 5.5 tall, and I've already pre-scored it with my bone folder at 4 1/4. And then we're using this Pecan Pie background paper. Here's the other side of it. This is cut 4 by 5 1/4, and I'm just going to adhere that to the front side of the pecan pie. Let me just add my glue here, and we're just going to put this right on the card front and just make sure it is on here, centered, and looks pretty good. And now, like I said, this is going to be a quick and easy card, and I know you have lots and lots of different pieces of designer paper in your craft room. You can take those elements here, the Thoughtful Expressions. Look at how big these are, and you can just totally go for it and layer lots and lots of different patterns. But we're going to be using 3 today. One we're going to stamp on, so let me actually do that first. Let me grab my Misty Moonlight ink and my stamp that says "So Happy to Celebrate You," and I'll just ink that up really quickly, and I'm going to stamp it right in the middle, hopefully. Yep, I love the font in this stamp set. Again, it's called Layering Leaves, and I'm just going to close my Misty Moonlight, and we'll be all done with that one. And I like the a darker color on top of the blue. That way the sentiment will pop and you'll see it right off. Okay, so now we're going to take the largest of the die cuts, and I'm going to adhere that straight down to the designer paper. And I'm going to kind of look at that bird because we don't want them going sideways or anything like that. So I think that's good. Let's turn it this way. Also, another thing you want to look at in this with the die cuts is these little scallopy things. I kind of like mine going straight up and in the middle. All right, so then the next thing we'll do is I'm going to add this one. You can either slide it under or you can just put it on top. I'm going to try to slide it under. I should have done that one first, but that's okay. We can do it. I'm just going to put pick this up a little bit. That hasn't been adhered to yet, so I kind of got away with it. All right, I'll just press that down a little bit. While that's drying, I'm going to flip this one over. We're going to add some dimensionals to the back side here. I'm going to create a triangle with 3 of them. And then let's press those down, and then I'll take my pokey tool and I'm just going to press the middle there real quick, and then we'll just peel these off. Maybe. All right, that's good. Now we're just going to have to strategize and where are we going to put our sentiment, and I think I'm going to sneak it right down here. I do not want to cover up that bird, but I do have a little boo-boo here with that misty moonlight kind of bled over, so I am going to just cover that up and no one will know. It looks like I've got some right there too, so I might be able to cover that up with an embellishment. Let's work with the inside of our card. We've got basic white, and it's 4 by 5 1/4. And let's see, I think I got this one here. It's okay. It's cut 4 inches across, and I think it's about 3/4, it looks like, tall. It's just a scrap that I had. And we'll just put that on there. I like to use the show some white on the bottom of my strip. And let's take our glue and add that in. And then this is just going to go centered on the right side of the inside of the card. All right, now let's focus on the envelope. I've got 2 pieces of scrap, and I've got some designer paper, and I actually have a piece of the pecan pie. So let's take our glue, and I'm going to have the same pattern on my envelope as I do on my card here. And let's just put this right on. Try to go straight as possible. And then this strip is a little bit more than 1/4 of an inch, it looks like. Just 1 line of glue, that'll do it. And I'm just gonna, oops, totally messed there. But I'll take my not liquid glue eraser, my adhesive eraser later, and I'll just get that taken off. All right, this is, you always want to feel here, and if it's anywhere near sticking over, let's just trim this down so the post office will be happy with us. Okay. All right, last step is to add those embellishments. And again, during this series, I'm using the iridescent foil gems. They come 100 to a pack, and we have 50 per size, and there's 2 different sizes. All right, so I think I'm gonna try to cover up that little misty moonlight ink right there with one of the larger ones. Yep, that works. And then let me grab a smaller one, and I'm going to put one down here. I'm going to try to create my little triangle, and so we don't have anything repeating straight up and down or across. Let's make it pleasing to the eye. Let's go right, let me see, right here. I like that, the white space. So we have our triangle of elements here. Okay, we are done. All right, so let's go over all the cards that we made. So this is the one we made together right here. And this is the one I made earlier. And then back in all the series here, we've got the Thinking of You, Sending Hugs, and Thank You So Much. I really do love this stamp set. It's got some really fun sentiments. The other ones that are in here are Best Wishes, For You, and Hello. So add this one to your order. It's $24. The item number 161277. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget about that Thoughtful Expressions bundle. And again, you can either order the stamp set and the die separately, or if you order it as a bundle, then it's 10% off. And that price is $55.75. Item number 162822. And if you order this, you can choose one of the $50 products in the Sale-a-bration brochure. And I would choose this one. The Flight and Airy Designer Series paper is beautiful, and I know you will like it. All right, for all your Stampin' needs, you can visit my store at inspiredbygram.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.